Hi folks, my name is Paul out here in Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. And today we're going to be looking at this Sundance 262 rear bath. And let's go ahead and run inside and take a look. Alright, well starting in the back of the trailer here, we got an awesome spacious bathroom with a barn door. So you got a lot of storage on the left side, hanging stuff over here for your towels or any of your bathroom amenities. Nice size shower and spacious room around the toilet. Coming into the living room, you've got just a regular seated couch that does fold out into a bed, directly across from the entertainment center, which is great, because on too many trailers you see them off to the side, and it's just a pain to look over your shoulder. But in this one, it's really linear and laid out great. You got your Bluetooth stereo system, you got all your controls, all of it together in one cohesive group. To the left of that, we've got the kitchen, which is really cornered out to where no one's going to be getting in your way, so they can walk through, do whatever they're doing, and you can just cook and focus on what you're doing at the moment. Overhead storage up there, microwave, 3-burner stove with the folding glass pane so that you can use it as extended counter storage, and of course an oven as well. Nice size refrigerator, and of course the booth dinette that drops down into another bed if you so desire. But it looks like a very spacious one that could sit 4 people very comfortably. And then going into the front of the coach, we've got hanging storage on each side of the bed so you can hang all your clothes and everything up, as well as overhead storage, lights for when you're reading a book or whatever you do before you go to bed, and a nice sized bed in there for you as well. Well, thank you so much for taking a look at this 262 with me. If you have a question on this trailer or want to look at any others, give me a call. My number is 541-510-3584, and I really look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.